หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอะ STEMMA
Hi everyone, this is week 10 and this is the hot and cold water experiment. So for this we will need 1 glass of hot water, 1 glass of cold water. We will use blue and red colouring to show which is hot and cold. We will need a funnel, pipette, glass stirrer and 2 glass bottles. And also this plastic sheet which we will place on top of the hot water. So we are going to mix the colours. Red for our hot water and blue for the cold. Okay, so we will use the funnel to put the water in. First the hot water.
STEMMA S
Okay, cold water.
Technology E Engineering M Mathematics.
So now with the plastic sheet on top of one bottle and the other bottle upside down on top of that, we can take out this plastic sheet very carefully and look at that. Wow, they don't mix. The sheet's right here and they don't mix. Wow. Okay, thank you everyone.